How to log in Spotify in browser. So here is a quick guide on how to sign into Spotify using a web browser. First of all, you can open your preferred web browser, Chrome, Safari, Firefox of your choice. Then navigate to the Spotify official website. Now once there you will find the login button at the top right corner of the home page, and all you have to do is tap on the login option available there and you'll be navigated to the login section. Now, once inside the login section, enter your login details. Type your email, username, and password, then click login. Or you can also use Facebook, Apple ID, or Google account to log into your Spotify account easily. So, I have signed in to my Spotify account using the Apple ID. So, here I'm simply tapping on the continue with Apple ID option available there. Then confirm the continue button available there and I'll be signed into my Spotify account. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.